I can't stay. No, I always gotta go. Playing house, this ain't a home with my soul. On the road, I can't.
Look, we made it to Amsterdam.
I look rough.
Max arrived last night. Jet lagged, and he was alone in LA, and he really needs a haircut.
I need a lot. I need a haircut, I need a shave, I need breakfast.
Max is gonna have a little self-care morning, and we're gonna grab some breakfast right now, and then this afternoon we're gonna go both to the hairdressers. My roots are actually getting really dark already, so I just want to put some like nice blonde highlights in there.
I was thinking about getting some highlights too.
You want some
What happens if I do that? What happens if I wear blonde?
Oh no, that would look like you're like a pop star. I think it would kind of look edgy on you because you have such cheekbones.
We should totally do it.
Maybe not for the shoot.
Oh.
New direction. We have quite a fun week ahead. This week, Nico's coming to town. We have a really big Nekohama campaign shoot here in Amsterdam. And then at the end of the week, I always have my event, my Pilates event, which will be so much fun. Yeah, I will take you with along everywhere today. There we go. This is the before.
Before? And then I'll shoot after an hour.
Exactly. Hallo. Ik had een afspraak voor Sanne en Max.
Isn't it funny? We came to that. I thought I won you over, but you were holding back. Isn't it funny? You could not care less. How you took those words back, now I'm just a mess.
This is my new hair. I love it. They always do such a good job here. So what I always ask wherever I go to do my hair is to ask to do it like warm blonde, almost like golden retriever blonde, and not ashy blonde. I personally don't like the ashy gray type of blonde so much, and especially with my skin tone and with my eye color and stuff, I love the golden blondes. Like, I'm the same color as Katsu now. Talking about Katsu, I miss him so much right now. We have a really good friends who always love taking care of him, and they were not here this weekend, so that's why when I was in Europe here and with the girls in Saint-Tropez, someone had to stay with Katsu, so Max stayed with him. Right now Katsu is still in LA. He's staying with Sylvie for the upcoming 2 weeks. But oh my god, whenever I see photos and videos, I don't know, it's weird because I feel like I have never really missed things so much, like missed people that intensely. Like, as soon as I moved out when I was 18, I was never homesick. Of course, I always like I miss my family and I miss some friends and stuff, but like, I don't know, missing my dog is like a whole other level. Like, I wish he could just be with me every day and everywhere I go. We were actually in doubt to bring him. We brought him last year to Europe, which was so much fun, and he stayed with my parents on the countryside. But this year my parents are going on a vacation, so they're not at home, and we're obviously going to Japan, and we were debating, shall we bring him to Amsterdam, but you know, we're here in a small apartment, so it's like not really ideal for him, and he, you know, needs to run and like be by the beach and stuff, so that's why he is in LA. But yeah, I really miss him so much. Max is shaving right now.
What?
You're not leaving that, are you?
I'm gonna stay like this for a short period of time.
No.
No.
I can't.
Introducing you to.
Can you show?
Which one?
I don't know why you guys think this is the most sexiest or like
Oh baby, I feel
attractive
so
thing, but it's not. Like, it's absolutely.
They call me Matcha Daddy.
Matcha. The mustache, I can't. Like, I think a mullet is better than a mustache. You look beautiful. I want to take one picture with you at dinner of us looking cute, dressed up. And then with your mustache. Alright. We're having a dinner with friends tonight, and then tomorrow I need to pick up some packages and we're gonna get ready for the shoot. We just need to organize some stuff. Whoop, little blurb. Tonight is the half finals of the Euro Cup, which is so much fun and a big thing. The Netherlands have not been in the half finals in 20 years. All my friends are at the bar and I couldn't go because I've been waiting on this package that right now I'm just seeing. It was gonna get delivered today, it's just not coming at all. So I guess we're gonna get ready. Here, of course we have to dress in orange, and then I also got these. I'm gonna give Max and Jason. You are married to a Dutch woman.
Oh.
And then you also... Oh, you're so cute! Oh, you're getting one too, Jason.
What am I getting?
Oh my god, so cute!
We all break out tomorrow.
Huh? Can you imagine? We all have like giant pimples on our head. So, you are also getting one. You have meetings? Phone calls?
Tonight? Yeah.
Do you have a Zoom?
Does this thing come off for tomorrow's shoot?
Yeah, this thing
You're
just
100%
lights up.
positive?
Yeah, of course it does. Look how pretty you look.
Oh, this is sick. I like
cute,
it.
no?
Yeah, it's really cool. I've been waiting for this moment.
Jason, if you like start from all the teams you can pick one in the Euro Cup. Which one would you pick?
It's obviously the Netherlands. I've been
Huh?
rooting for the Netherlands the entire time. I looked at the bracket. I was pumped about the bracket.
Jason used to be a professional soccer player.
I grew up playing underneath Portuguese coaches my entire life. And so I used to root for Portugal a lot. I always like seeing them do well.
I like Portugal.
But the Netherlands has had some key players. Robin is a huge one. Schneider. There's some ballers.
Those are all the ones I know. My dad was like, son, that was like 15 years ago.
I know.
And I was
they were
like, you're so right.
This year, I think they can go all the way if they get lucky against Spain in the finals. It's just assuming the finals.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See her. Rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I.
Good morning. We lost soccer from England last night. It was so sad. I feel like everyone here in the Netherlands is always so invested when it comes to soccer, whether that is the Euro Cup or the World Cup. Like the whole country is upside down. Like I feel the Dutchies are such super fans. But yeah, so they will not be going to the half or the finals. But anyway, I am currently getting ready because today is our big event day. I'm hosting my very first Soul Sing Body community workout here. I worked on creating a playlist this morning because I feel music is truly everything. And I'm honestly not really good, I feel, at putting music together. I don't know, I feel my music styles are so all over the place. Like I like almost everything, like country, and like I like a little house, I like R&B, like so many different things. But I did my best, and I actually think we got some good tunes together. And then I also prepared the workout for tonight. I usually kind of run through it, make some notes, and then I usually I'm able to remember the whole flow, and it's like 45 minutes, and sometimes it changes a little on the spot when I feel something is too difficult or too small. But yeah, it is pretty good. So I did all my preparations and I got ready quickly. I've been living in the same clothes because it is still so cold. Lauren came to town. Lauren is my business partner. So we're gonna go to the venue and we're gonna get everything ready for the event tonight. And of course, I am late, so let's grab everything quickly. Hello! Okay, I just entered the space. It looks so good. Wait, this looks so good. So good. Even the blue mats. I'm like, that's very on brand. Yeah. I'm like, I love it. Thank you. Hallo. Hey, goed, met jou? Lekker. Er zin in? Ja. Ja, heel veel zin in. Yes! Another event on the books. Hello, how are you? It's Sanne. Nice to meet you.
I'm
Thank
so excited.
You for helping
oh my gosh,
here.
of course. I'm so happy to be here.
Usually I'm the one who's nervous before things, but I get to be here to support my wife.
Now it's a little bit me. I don't know why, but especially because it's like a really big group, I definitely get a little bit nervous. But you know what it is? It's always like once the music plays and once I'm there and like teach and I'm with all of you, it's like it's just so easy and natural and it feels like really good. But it's always like beforehand, you know, when you need to like wait
to get into the moment.
To get into the moment. So I always love to do a little bit of breathing, just a couple of breathing to kind of get focused. So
and then this is the first time you've done something like this in your hometown.
I know, so it's been really good. I don't know if that brings more pressure or not, but
well, you're gonna crush it. I love
thank you.
Mwah.
Thank you. I feel I'm going to aerobics right here.
What's the worst case scenario? Plan out in your head how it's all gonna go. So you think you got it covered, but there's always something new that you discover you've not thought about. You can never figure out every possible outcome, and you're so scared you'll get it wrong. Have a good time, but worry after. Petrified, will they think I'm awkward when your brain's wired for disaster? Even good things leave a bitter taste. Try to calm down, thoughts spinning faster. Terrified, hide it with laughter when your brain's wired for disaster. Even good things leave a bitter taste. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste. Something unexpected happens, you can't let it go. Caught up in your own distractions. You already know that you're gonna think about this for a while. Why you try not to lose your mind, not to believe the lies that you tell yourself, that you tell yourself. Have a good time, but worry after. Petrified, when they think I'm awkward when your brain's wired for disaster. Even good things leave a bitter taste.
Okay, I don't know exactly what happened, but I filmed a outro in Amsterdam and I think it didn't save on my memory card, but Max and I arrived in Barcelona and I'm actually just getting ready for dinner. I'm looking back at like last week in Amsterdam with honestly so much joy. The event was so much fun. I think my favorite part actually was the live Q&A after, where we just really got to like chat with everyone, and I was also really interested to just like hear everyone's questions around like wellness and mental health and all of that. It was so lovely. Max and I are here for, let's see, we're here for 2 more nights, right?
We are leaving Thursday, Japan.
Yeah, we're here for 2 more nights and then we're off to Japan. It's always been Max's dream to, I think more than ever, to kind of stay in Japan for a little bit and just really like emerge into the culture, I would say. And normally we always go with big groups to Japan, and now it's just going to be 2 of us, so that is going to be really nice. Let me show my outfit quickly. It is really cute. This is a top from Matcha. We take a bag. Okay, here's a little bit a better outfit look. These are my pants. I think these are old Zara ones. I wish I had a black bag, but I didn't bring one. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog and I will see you next week. Don't forget to subscribe.